she didn't like for all those years,
No
especially
worries.
with young kids, is like, no one's allowed to go near daddy's car. No one. So she had to enforce that. And you got they did a great job.
My dad in 2002, before I was born, was going to get one, right? And he's like, oh, well, I have kids now, and I don't know.
Well, y'all have a one.
They don't do that anymore.
Yeah.
I think they got mad. Too many people doing too many silly things.
That and like it was just too big.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is the coolest intro. This is a Toyota Century.
There you go.
It is shmoney the car.
Look at this.
Have a seat. You're fine. You're
Wow.
fine. So no worries.
Wow.
The back seats, they, what are we at? Sorry, I don't.
Recline?
Yeah, it reclines and all. But that's the front. You can move from here. And what do we got? There you go.
That's crazy for 97?
And they massage and they're heated. All the back ones.
What?
Yeah.
Insane.
I just lost the auction on the factory. There's a rear phone. I was trying to get it.
Oh
and
man,
it
the
was
rear
at the
phone.
plugs and I was going to install it. It would have been nice.
Right.
Drug dealer phone, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I take my shoes off and see if we can get it through the pass-through? Yeah, you can. Yeah, as long as you're clean, that's fine.
Yeah.
Well, I can take my shoes off. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I don't wear shoes in it myself.
Nice, man.
That's why I ordered flip-flop. Money. I'm always driving it, so I never get to enjoy the back seat. But sometimes in the shop, I'll just sit back there just to.
Yo, that's crazy. That's wow.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah.
Watch this.
Pete. With Lipton Pete. Real glad. Carbon fiber and Pete. What's up, man? There's something wrong with your car. The cop said, as soon as I maintain properly, what's wrong with it?
Yeah.
That's dope, bro.
Oh, thanks. You put missile launchers on here, so just ready to go. 5 seconds. It's already got a lot of weight in there already.
This thing is clean.
That is so horrible.
Yeah, oh, F30.
F30.
So F30 booster.
Sick with box.
Is that with the,
That's where they, like on a BMW M3, where it comes out like this. You'd have to fabricate that.
Pretty good. What is it? Is it turbo?
Wow. So what made it a high output?
I'm not
not going to put myself out there for that. I could probably fabricate them, but I'm not going to.
Both VR1s, LT5. Nice. This car was $66,000 back in 1992. It's probably equivalent to close to $120,000 maybe in today's market.
I don't know the details, but I know that's the thing, right? You're not supposed to fix it.
Dang, price tag is. Oh no, that's for some service. That was a price tag on it. Clean though. Very, very clean.
my dad backed into something, God knows.
And this is a Pontiac
Yeah, Firebird.
Firebird. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet, sweet,
Thank you.
sweet.
Thank
So you got these original photos right here?
Yeah. And original photos, there's more up front too.
Okay.
And that's my dad. My dad rebuilt the whole engine. He did everything up until like the machine work had to be done.
Wow.
And then obviously he sent it out to get the machine work done. But he did my dad was an engineer.
Okay.
So he did
So this
everything
is right up his
himself.
alley then, the rebuilding the car.
Everything on this car he did. Like he added the air conditioning. That's all him. He did everything on this car. You know,
You got a name for it? Is it
Princess.
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 How fitting. For sure.
She is a princess. I mean, my dad, like this is the picture perfect day. I know my dad would yell to me from the heavens if I take her out on any other day besides something like this.
Right,
you know?
right.
He would literally walk outside and go, it's too windy. Her hair might get messed up.
Right. The top is in great condition as well.
Oh, that's original top.
Original top?
Original top.
Wow. Yeah, this is nice. Oh man, got the old school Kenwood. I see you got the old school Kenwood in here.
What?
Was that original? The Kenwood? Kenwood
no,
cassette?
no.
Okay,
He
okay.
added that.
Okay.
He added that. It doesn't even work anymore.
But that's still old school.
It's still, the Kenwood is still old school, but I want to actually get the original radio back in.
Got it.
Because it doesn't work.
Can you find it?
What?
The OEM radio? Can you find it online somewhere?
I haven't really looked very hard. I'm sure I can.
Okay.
I'm sure I can. But there are things that need to be done. Like I wanted to get a new driver's side door panel needs to be replaced, and I'm trying to find an original, which is almost impossible. So I'm going to have to try and do an OEM, an aftermarket OEM. There's a ton of Pontiac sites and classic car sites I can get from. So, but you know, slowly but surely, things get done. You know.
Does this not have mirrors?
That's the air conditioner before.
Oh, okay. Oh. So this originally, like you said, didn't come with AC.
No, Dad put it in.
Here's the AC, guys.
Yeah, Dad put it in. Yeah. What can I say? You know, back then AC wasn't a thing in cars.
That's true.
It really was not a thing.
That's true. And you said this is 67, right?
It's like you gotta crank the windows, you gotta manually lock and unlock, you know.
Oh yeah, this got the crank windows.
Yeah.
So.
And this car is one of the few, not only that's automatic, but the gear shift is on the steering column.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Let's get that on there. Yeah, shift it right here.
I never even thought about really doing that. Oh, there we go.
So it's just come with one mirror. Just on the driver's side back in the day.
Yeah. And it's funny because when my son first drove it, he was like, wait.
Yeah.
Wait. And I said, no, this is it.
Right.
This is it. He goes, how do you drive with just that? I'm like,
You just do.
it's just what it was used to, but they didn't even, like my daughter, when I first got it, and I said to my daughter, who's 25, I'm like, come on, let's go for a ride. And she was like, how do I open the door?
Right.
Like this, see that little thing right there? And she's like doing this.
Gotta put
But
it
it's
in.
not, I'm like, hon, it's a door. And she opened the door and was like, oh my God, it's heavy. I'm like, this is what a real car is made of, metal.
Yep. All aluminum.
Not plastic shit.
Yep.
You know? And these wheels, I bought my dad those wheels.
Okay.
For his birthday a long time ago.
Cool.
So a lot of memories, a lot of things need to be done. As you can see, all this is original, needs to be replaced. But part of me is like, I don't wanna.
Yeah, keep it OEM. Yep.
Yeah, because that's the history.
That's part of the car. Yeah.
It's the history of it, you know. It's fun. Like, and Dad added seatbelts. Where's the cover on this?
So did this not come with seatbelts back in the day? I know a lot of cars didn't have seatbelts.
It came with lap, not,
Okay, it came
not,
with
with,
lap belts.
not with shoulder.
Got it. Got it.
And I don't know, where'd the cover for this thing go? Hold on.
You're getting the exclusive on the 1967 Pontiac Firebird.
Never mind. Yeah, and I won my first award with it a month or so ago at a
Oh,
show.
congratulations.
Thanks.
Congratulations. Do you wrench on it at all?
What?
Do you wrench on it? No? You got somewhere you take it to?
So my mechanic, who I went to high school with,
Okay.
has been working on this car with my dad for probably 40 years. So he knows this thing inside and out.
Well, that's good. You got a technician that's been working on the car, so any issues that come up about, you just take it right to him.
Well, I do. And the hardest part is that finding mechanics, if you talk to anyone with a classic car, finding mechanics that know how to work on classic cars. Because the younger generation has no clue.
Yep.
You know, engines are different. They're more modern. There's more technology to them now.
Yep.
This is simple shit.
It is.
You know, and
It leaks. So if it doesn't leak unless you move this bit. So when I'm working here,
What's up, boss?
I lost a bit. But it does work. I have no idea.
I remember being
It's progress.
they made Monopoly
Progress in session right now. We're putting this boy back together top to bottom. Look at the paint. Paint finish.
Well, you can still
Probably
get
getting the wheels together,
So,
the floors.
The trick is,
Redo the
one,
full
you
car.
can get it from junkyard because there's
Nice
no,
Grand National right here.
every art club car that goes in, they evacuate. So they still sell it for like a nice back. But